So, good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated May 3, 2023. So, before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership of Basel, and certification from NISM is no way guarantee of performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. So, investments in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So, with the disclaimer ending, I'll take you through Nifty 50's chart analysis for the day and for the past few days as well. As you can see, Nifty ended above in the green or in the positive territory for the last six sessions, six straight sessions, and it reclaimed its 100 DMA three sessions back and is comfortably trading above the 100 DMA and above the 18,000 mark as well. Yesterday it closed above the 18,100 level. If you talk about yesterday's session, it was a very muted session. As you can see, Nifty had a gap up opening, and after that gap up opening, Nifty traded in a very range bound range. But as you can see, when Nifty was going higher, even the volumes were coming in terms of average volumes. So even yesterday's volume was around the average volume, so which is a good sign. But up till now, if you look at it, we haven't seen the follow through day. So Nifty is still in rally attempt. The follow through day is an up move of 1.5% on higher on volumes higher than the previous day. So uh, before taking the markets to a confirmed uptrend, you would like to see a follow through day because no rally in the past has ever started without a follow through day, not just in Indian market but across the global market. So till that time, I mean, to if we get a follow through day or the previous highs gets reclaimed, markets will continue to remain in rally attempt. So Nifty, so these are the previous highs of around 18,134, 18,800. So near these points, Nifty can find some kind of resistance. On the downside, if Nifty goes below the 16,828 levels, then uh, uh, market status will go back to a downtrend. Talking about key news, BL Kashyap secured a new order worth rupees 238 crores from Embassy Construction. This said contract is expected to be executed within 28 months. The total order book as on date stands at 2518 crores. Godrej Consumer Products Board will meet on May 10 to consider approval for raising funds amounting to rupees 5,000 crores via non-convertible debentures, NCDs in one or more tranches. As the result season is going on, certain big names also came up with their results, including Ambuja Cement and Tata Steel. Ambuja Cement's Q4 FY23 revenue grew 8.4% YY to 4,256.3 crores. Profit grew 1.6% YY to 502.4 crores. Volumes increased 8% YY to 8.1 million tons. EBITDA margins fell 170 bips to 18.5%. Tata Steel's Q4 FY23 from operations declined 9.2% YOY to 62,961.5 crores. Profit fell 84% YY to 1,556.2 crores. EBITDA margins fell 102 pips to 11.46%. However, all these numbers were above the consensus estimates. Results that are expected today are Titan, Tata Chemicals, KEC International, MRF, Adani Wilmar, Awas Finances, Anupam Rasayan, Godrej Properties, Havells India, among others. Talking about the global market updates, the US markets is continue on a falling trend, as you can see. Dow, S&P 500, Nasdaq Composite, all of them closed lower. Dow closed lower by 1.1%, S&P 500 by 1.2%, your Nasdaq Composite by 1.1%. Asian markets, your Japanese have a trading holiday. Even the Chinese markets have been closed. So only Kospi is trading lower by 0.8%. Talking about SGX Nifty, SGX Nifty is indicating a flattish opening. Your yesterday's close was around 18,147. The last trade around 5 to 10 minutes back, around 8:40 was 18,142. So talking about the chart of the day, and the chart of the day is Federal Bank, and talking about the stock is making a stage 3 cup base, as you can see, and at the moment is forming the right hand side of the cup base. However, the stock has reclaimed its all its key moving averages, but we want to see some. There is still 5% to the pivot, so it's always early to have hold of the stocks that have good fundamental and business drivers. So at this moment, the stock is 5% to the pivot. So on the right hand side of the base, if you see good accumulation going forward, that is big blue volume bars coming in along with your RS line moving higher, then it will become a good sign. uh, Number of funds for the stock is improving, which is really a good sign. As you can see, this bank has been coming up with really good set of results for the last 4 to 5 quarters, and similar can be seen in its EPS strength as well. Price strength, as I was talking about, is fair at 72, but as the stock is still 5% to the pivot, you can see some kind of improvement going forward. And if that comes in, your RS line will start moving higher. Buyer demand is good at the moment. So if the stock breaks out on from the pivot on above average volume and the market remains supportive, it is a very good stock to watch out for. So thank you, and that's it from our side. And stay tuned to the space of Prevail with William O'Neill India from Monday